Hi friends, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee and again I am back with a new video. As you all know, I am a booktuber and I am making videos on this book. The name of this book is The Laws of the Spirit World. Okay, so in our last video, I have covered the topic called Your Subconscious Mind Can Become Dormant, and in this video, I am covering the topic called Awaken Your Subconscious Mind. Okay, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making videos on each and every topic so you can understand. And what I'm doing is I'm giving numbers to each and every video so you can understand in the proper way. As our last video was 41st video and this is our 42nd video. Okay, and do subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, like the video so that whenever I update a new video you will get the notification, friends. Okay, so I will start the video, and you can also connect with me on Instagram. You can also connect with me, you can ask the comment if you have any doubt. You can ask me the comment section. So if I see whatever doubt, I will try to clear in the comment section, or else you can connect me with in Instagram, because I reply, because I'm more over active there and I always reply there, friends. Okay, so I will start today's video. Okay, the date is 25th 1981, 20 April 1981. Awaken your subconscious mind. The subconscious mind dreads seeing the soul follow a bad path and it become miserable, that it goes to sleep and is unable to stop a soul at all. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshed Bhavnagari that when a person keeps on committing mistakes and sins in his life, his subconscious mind goes to a very long sleep, and his subconscious mind doesn't create a barrier in doing his negative karma, because subconscious mind have already slept. Nowadays very few people have an awakened subconscious mind in your world, as many people subconscious mind are dormant and refuse to awaken. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us, at present in our world there are very few people whose subconscious mind is awakened. Most of the people's subconscious mind is slept. We have shown you the way to awaken your subconscious mind. We were disobedient and let it fall into a slumber. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us that they shown us the way how to awaken our subconscious mind. But now it is time for you to awaken it. It will take some time, but follow our instructions sincerely. Your subconscious mind must awaken and guide you. Please talk to it, beg it, and request it to function again. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us that this is a technique to make our subconscious mind function, because the technique is we should speak with our subconscious mind. We should say, hey subconscious mind, be alert, be agile. So in this way we should talk with our subconscious mind, and we should so our subconscious mind will definitely wake up from a great sleep. It is tremendously big task to make the subconscious mind work again, but you must, you have done wrong by avoiding, ignoring and shutting it off. Begin working on it immediately so that it will stop you from falling further and will instead bring you to a higher level. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us that we understand awakening the subconscious mind is very difficult, but at least try. Talk with your subconscious mind, say that hey subconscious mind, wake up. So it will not allow you to fall more lower in this earth world. Some say meditation, some say concentration, but you must simple render your mind absolutely blank for 1 minute only. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling that to us that some says to awaken our subconscious mind we should do meditation. Some says we should do concentration. But here Vipsi and Ratu is telling just blank your mind only for 1 minute. In the beginning, this will be very hard for some to do, but once you get used to it, it is very easy. Just stop thinking, and if thought try to penetrate your mind, ignore them until they stop naturally. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to do it in the initial stage, it is difficult. But as you practice and as time passes on, you will learn this art. So we should, what we should do is, we should only for 1 minute we should stop blank our mind. We should make sure that no thought should come in our mind, and we should not get any thought in our mind. You will hear many sounds even once they are far away. You will hear them more and more, but try not to let any thought enter your mind. So Vipsi and Ratu is telling, as soon as we close our eyes for 1 minute, we will hear many sounds, many experiences will come here, but make sure that you don't flow away towards those experiences or those sounds. Make sure that our mind should definitely be blank for at least 1 minute. Your mind should be absolutely blank. Push away all thought. This will help you to greatly in your progress. So Vipsi and Ratu is telling that always blank your mind for 1 minute. So it will definitely help us for our spiritual progress in the spiritual progress in the spirit world. Once you leave your world and physical body, it is very hard and slow to rise higher level in the spirit world. But on the earth, you can progress much sooner. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us, as soon as we leave our this earth, this body, it is very difficult for our subconscious mind to rise in the spirit world. But in this earth world, it is very easy for our subconscious mind to rise on a higher spiritual level. You can turn away from your evil ways and can become good within minutes. Of course, you have to go through your karma, but it will milder and easier as God will help you find the strength and courage to face it all. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling it is not easy and even it is not difficult. As soon as we start trying, our all the karma, negative karma will come in front of us and all bad things will happen to us, but we should tolerate so that we could take ourselves higher in the spirit world. In the spirit world, however, your progress is very, very slow but certain. There is, however, no escaping the punishment from every sin you have committed. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us that in the spirit world, it is 100% guaranteed that our spiritual progress is there, but it is very slowly. But in the second handly, we should pay off our all karmic debts, because it is very important that we pay our karmic debt, because without paying our karmic debts we cannot go off, right? Before whatever sin we have committed in our life, we have to pay off those all sins. So think hard before it is too late, before you leave your world and physical body. You have many opportunities to go from bad to good, and you can be sure that your punishment in the spirit world will be much easier if you make good use of these opportunities. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling, always be in the correct path, always be in the God's path. So if you are in the correct path and God's path, then whatever things you commit in your life, whatever negative karma you have committed in your life, in the spirit world, your punishment will be very much easier as compared to the earth world. Instead of finding yourself on realm 1, 2 or 3, you will at least reach realm 4. So think hard and you will realize it is better to improve immediately. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us that if we do all the correct thing in our life, apart from going in realm 1, 2 or 3, we will at least reach in realm 4. So friends, this topic comes to an end. So in our today's topic, we have covered awaken your subconscious mind. In our next topic, we'll be covering this thing. Satish story. You must have courage to improve. This will be the next topic which we will be covering in our next video. And friends, as I always say, that this book is this long and I cannot cover this full book in one video. So what I am doing is that I am making each and every topic in each and every video, so you people can understand. If you have any doubt, ask me in the comment section. Do like the video, subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, so whenever I update a new video, you'll get the notification. And even you can do one thing, you can connect me on Instagram. So if you have any doubts in regards to this topic or in regards to this book, The Laws of the Spirit World, anytime you can ask, because I am available there 24/7. And I always recommend you friends to read this book. This book has really will change your life. Always do good karma in your life, try to help others, try to do good karmic account, so that one day we all come in the spirit world, at least in the realm 7, and we all meet there and you will say, yes, I used to see your videos, and today we all in this are in the spirit world, because I always want my viewers, those who are watching me, they should come in the spirit world with me in the seventh realm. Okay friends, bye, goodbye. So our this video comes to an end, so I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, be blessed, be happy. Okay, okay friends, bye. I will meet you in the next video. Okay.